Welcome, students, to Virtual Teaching Tutor. In this tutorial, we'll explore the concept of percentages and how to calculate total revenue based on a given percentage. Understanding how to work with percentages is essential in various fields, including finance, business, and everyday life. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to confidently solve problems involving total revenue and administrative costs. Let's dive in. Step 1. Understand the problem. When given an administrative cost that represents a specific percentage of the total revenue, our goal is to find out what the total revenue is. Formula: total revenue equals administrative costs divided by percentage. Step 2. Identify the values. You'll need two key pieces of information: the administrative cost and the percentage expressed as a decimal. For example, administrative costs 900,000, percentage 20%, which is 0.20 in decimal form. Step 3. Convert the percentage to decimal. If the percentage is given in whole numbers, convert it to a decimal by dividing by 100. Example: 20% equals 20 divided by 100 equals 0.20. Step 4. Plug the values into the formula. Using the formula provided, substitute the values you've identified. Example: total revenue equals 900,000 divided by 0.20. Step 5. Perform the calculation. Now calculate the total revenue by performing the division. Example: total revenue equals 900,000 divided by 0.20 equals 4,500,000. Step 6. Interpret the result. The result of your calculation gives you the total revenue based on the administrative cost and percentage provided. In conclusion, in this example, if the administrative cost is 900,000 and it represents 20% of the total revenue is 4,500,000. Let's do another example to solidify your understanding. Problem: if an organization has an administrative cost of $700,000, which is 25% of its total revenue, what is the total revenue? Solution steps. Number 1, identify values. Administrative cost equals $700,000. Percentage is 25%, which is 0.25 in decimal. Number 2, plug into the formula. Total revenue equals 700,000 divided by 0.25. 3. Perform the calculation. Total revenue equals 700,000 divided by 0.25 equals 2,800,000. 4. Interpret the result. The total revenue is $2,800,000. In conclusion, now you have a solid understanding of how to calculate total revenue based on a percentage. Practice with different numbers to enhance your skills further. If you enjoyed this video, we would greatly appreciate it if you could share it with your family and friends. Your support means a lot to us. Don't forget to click the thumbs up button to show your appreciation. Subscribe to our channel for more fantastic content and make sure to hit the notification bell so you'll be alerted as soon as we release our next video. If you're interested in tutoring sessions, feel free to contact me at jriverstar@gmail.com. Support our mission. Visit our website and donate via the link below to make a difference today. Thank you for watching, and we love hearing your thoughts in the comments.